Fundamental Unit of Life, Chapter 5. Discovery of cells. In 1665, scientist Robert Hooke used a microscope to examine thin slices of coal. He observed that coal is made of tiny hollow compartments. The compartments remind him of small rooms, so he gave the rooms the name cells. The plant Hooke observed were actually dead. He was actually observing cell walls and empty space. Cells are divided into two, unicellular organisms and multicellular organisms. Unicellular organism are organisms which consist of only one cell. Multicellular organisms which consist one or more cells. The examples for unicellular organisms are bacteria, paramecium, chlamydomonas, amoeba. Examples for multicellular organisms are October, Petromyzon, and we human beings are also of this kind. Human cell. Different types of cells in human. Motor neuron, red blood cells, white blood cells, sperm cell, ovum, bone cell, cells in the inner lining of the intestine are some of these. Division of labor. Each cell in a multicellular organism does not perform all the bodily functions. Each type of cell specialized in performing one particular function. Different functions in a multicellular organism can be performed at the same time by division of labor. Cells are divided into three: cell membrane, cytoplasm, and nucleus. Cell membrane. It is an outermost layer of an animal cell. Functions are: it separates one cell from another. It gives shape, hold the content inside the cell. It has pores, helps some molecules to move in and out. Selectively permeable membrane. Diffusion. The process of movement of molecule from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration is called diffusion. Osmosis. The H2O moves from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane is called osmosis. Two types of osmosis, endosmosis and exosmosis. The cell gains water through osmosis is called endosmosis. Exosmosis, the cell tends to lose water to the external environment. Nucleus. Round body structure seen inside the cell. Brain of the cell controls all the activities. Structure. Nuclear envelope, nuclear sap, chromatin material, nucleolus, nuclear matrix. Nuclear envelope. Structure. Double membrane with pores surrounding the nucleus. Function. Regulates movement of molecules into and out of the cell. Nucleus. Found in animal and plant cell. Nuclear sap, also called nucleoplasm. It consists of chromatin fibers and nucleolus. Also contain proteins, enzymes, and nucleic acid DNA. Chromatin. Definition. Mass of genetic material composed of DNA and proteins. Chromatin is located in the nucleus of a cell. During mitosis, chromatin condenses to form chromosomes. Nucleolus. Another round body structure seen inside the nucleus sap is called nucleolus. Nucleolus is made up of RNA and protein. It is cytosynthesis of ribosomes. RNA, ribonucleic acid. Nuclear matrix. Network of fine crisscross patterns like fibers attached to nuclear envelope is called nuclear matrix. Mitochondria, powerhouse of the cell. Seat or cellular respiration use oxygen and bring about stepwise oxidation of food to produce carbon dioxide and energy. Energy is formed ATP, adenosine triphosphate, ATP energy currency of the cell. Double-layered membranes, inner membrane and outer membrane. Deeply folded inner membrane is called crista. Crista produces large area to produce ATP. It has its own DNA, ribosomes and proteins. So, it is called semi-autonomous organelle. Plastids. Plastids. Absent in animal cell. Colored bodies present in plant cell. Kitchen of plant cell. Two types of plastids, leucoplast and chromoplast. Leucoplast. Colored plastids, storage of starch, proteins and oils. Chromoplast. Colored plastids, green colored chromoplast is called as chloroplast. Vacuoles. Vacuoles. Blank space in plant or animal cell is called vacuoles. They are sac-like structure stores solid and liquid substances. In plant cell, single large vacuole. In animal cell, many small vacuoles. Vacuoles in plant cell filled with the cell sap take 50 to 95% of its cellular space that provides turgidity and rigidity in the cell. Vacuole stores amino acid, sugar, proteins, organic acid, etc. Food vacuole in amoeba, digestive food in bacteria and fungi. Vacuoles act as an osmoregulatory organelle and helps in the removal of waste material. Cell division. Cell division. Cell division is a very important process in all living organisms. During cell division, DNA replication and cell growth takes place. All these processes have to take place in a coordinated way, ensure correct division and formation of daughter cell. Two types of cell division, mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis. Mitosis is also called equational division, restricted to diploid cell, results in production of diploid daughter cells. The growth of multicellular organisms is due to mitosis. Meiosis. The specialized kind of cell division that produces number of chromosomes by half results in the production of haploid protocells. It occurs in sexually reproducing organisms, whereas fertilization restores the total number of chromosomes.